Well, this is just great. This is on my daily driver. And started it up this morning, and it was making a whole lot more ticking noise in the valve train than it usually does. But took the valve cover off, started the motor, and while it was running, I would put my thumb on the edge of the rocker and trying to, see which one it is. And I'm pretty sure it's a lifter, because everything up here looks fine. The oil looks fine. I don't see nothing wrong. So while it was running, I'd put my thumb on the edge of this, just enough where it would hit my thumb and I could feel how hard it was hitting. So let's see, this would be the intake valve, I believe, because manifold's here. So that's the exhaust, and this is intake. This one hits a whole lot harder. It don't have any give in it. And you can feel the rest of them, they all feel soft because they're hydraulic lifters. And this one feels real rough, and it hits my thumb real hard, so I think that lifter's bad. So I don't know if I'm gonna replace that lifter or do some trading with motors here. That's got a 360 LA. It's all computerized and whatnot. So that should bolt or mount right into this truck. This one's a 318 and that one over there is a 360. I really hate to have to do that, but swapping them, I think swapping the motor would be just as easy as taking the intake off and doing all that mess. So that's the problem with this thing. In this car, we believe it needs a water pump or a head gasket. It keeps blowing coolant out of it, and it's a real pain in the butt. So I'm gonna try to fix that first, because I need something to drive every day. These are my 2 daily drivers, and I've been having to drive my dad's truck to work, and I don't like doing that because I got 2 of my own cars. I need to be driving mine. So it's in between these 2 things here. I'll probably fix this one first, and this will be a weekend project, I reckon. See y'all later.